Hiking in the woods can be such a relaxing and worthwhile hobby, but if you plan on going for more than an hour, you'll need to bring water. Personally, I bring at least one water bottle per person per hour that I expect to hike. If it's going to be a hard trail, I'll pack a couple extras. If you're like me and you don't have a good backpack or hydration pack, you'll probably have a drawstring on hand. These are great because they are quick and easy to use. However, there are a couple problems with drawstring bags. Thin string bags may hurt after a couple of hours with any significant weight. I recommend a drawstring bag with thick strings. This helps distribute the weight a bit better and reduces the pressure on your shoulders. While a thin string bag isn't the best option, it certainly will do the job. I have a tip later in the video to make this a bit better on your shoulder. Another problem with drawstring bags is the set length. With the bag hanging so low, it can get annoying when it constantly hits you while hiking on uneven terrain. Shorter strings will help, but everyone is different, so these bags usually are made with longer strings than what are needed for most people. You can obviously shorten the length of the string by pushing down on the straps, but this prevents you from holding things. Whatever you do, don't cut the strings. You can even make a knot to shorten the length, but this isn't the best solution since it takes a while to get the size just right. No, there's a better way to fix this problem, and the answer lies in a disposable plastic water bottle. You'll most likely have a few of these on hand. First, hold the water bottle sideways on the inside of the two straps. Rotate it vertically as shown so the string becomes wrapped around the bottle. This will tighten the strings and pull the bag higher on your back. Now, rotate the bottle horizontally as shown to lock the bottle in place. This will prevent the string from unraveling and the bottle falling on the floor. Wrapping it multiple times will shorten the length even further. If you're in between sizes, just let out some air or water. Now the bag won't bang up against you as much while you enjoy a hands-free hike with the added benefit of having a convenient location for your water bottle. Bonus tip: this method can be applied with a stick. Just make sure to shave off the bark so you have a smooth surface that won't mess up the strings of your bag. Also, make sure to grab a stick that's shorter than what I found. Let me know down in the comments if you found this video helpful and what you're interested in seeing next. Alright, have a good one.